Hello guys, my name is Abhishek Kaur and welcome back to my channel. This is a part 6 of my Python video tutorial series. On the previous video, I talked about what are variables and data types. If you haven't seen that video yet, I highly recommend you to watch that video before jumping into this one. In today's lectures, I'm gonna covering what are operators and its type. So let's jump over to it. So what exactly are operators? So operators are symbols which tells the compiler. So we have compiler which compile our codes, which tells the compiler to do some mathematical operations on variables. We already talked about what are variables. If you don't check it out, then check out my previous video. So operators are symbols which tells the compiler to do some certain tasks on the variables. So there are 7 types of operators in Python. So let's see. We have arithmetic operators, assigned operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. In today's video, I'm gonna covering these 3 operators because these 3 are most important ones. And even though these also are important, but we're gonna cover it on upcoming videos. So let's jump over to these 3. Okay. So what are arithmetic operators? So arithmetic operators are used to do some simple mathematical calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, finding out the remainder by using a modulus, and the exponential, which is a finding out the power. So we use these types of we use add symbol, minus symbol, and multiplication symbol. We have division symbol, we have the mod symbol, and we have the exponential symbol. So let's do these types of tasks on the idle. So I'm opening up my idle. Okay, so I open up my idle. So and now I'm creating two variables and assigning it as a is equal to 5 and b is equal to as 2. And so now guys, I wrote everything. So for addition, we have a plus b. I created a variable called add and I give it a value a plus b. For subtract, I created a variable called subs and give it a value a minus b. So I created all of them, multiply as a extract b and divide. And now I'm going to print each one of them and see whether they are giving me the right answer. So let's say print and add. So now 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So let's see whether it is giving me the right answer. So yeah, I'm getting the right answer. Similarly, print sub, I'm expecting to get remain 3. So let's see, yeah. And for printing the multiply, I should get 5 times 2 as 10. Let's see. Sorry, multiply. Yeah, I'm getting the right answer. And for divide, we get 2.5 because 10 divided by 2 is equal to 2.5. And we have print as remainder. As you know, 2 times 2 is equal to 4, and we will get 1 as a remainder. Let's check. Yeah, we are getting 1 as a remainder. And now print we want power. Yeah, we want power. And check this out. So 5 to the power 2, which is 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So this is all about the arithmetic operators. So now let's jump over to the assigned operator. What are assigned operator? So when we assign the value, for example, a is equal to b, then equal sign is an assigned operator. So let me show. Yeah, let me open a new window of idle. Yeah, so when I say a equal to 10, then here equal is an assigned operators. Or I can also say a plus equals to 15. You know what does the I'm going to create a comment here. What is a plus equal 15? It say a is equal to a plus 15. This is what how the assigned operators works. So now I'm gonna print a. So it will give me initially we have a is equal to 10. As I have a is equal to 10, then I say assigned plus equal to 15, then I say a is equal to a plus 15, which is 10 plus 15. I will get a as 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. So yeah, I get 25. Similarly, if I say a is equal to minus equal to 25. Now we already know that a plus equal 15 is 25, and now minus it. So which means this means is a is equal to a minus 15. So now I'm printing the a. So what I will get here, a was 25, and now I'm minusing the 25 out from 25. So I should get a return 0. So yeah, I get a return of 0. And now I'm going to do what I'm going to do, b is equal to 2, and now what I'm going to do is v times equal to 5. So now what does it mean? So let me create comment, which means b is equal to b times 5. So let's get the print of b. Yeah, so I get 2 times 5 is equal to 2 times. Similarly, we can also apply this on the power function, divide function, and all. So this is how this whole thing works, and this is what we have, the assigned operators. Now we jumping over to the what are comparison operators. We have comparison when we have to compare between two things. Okay, when we have to make comparison between two things, we use comparison. So let's see the types of all comparison operators. So we have equal to. So if we have to check between two variables, between a and b, whether it a is equal to b, then we use equal. This is, we need two equal signs in between. We also have not equal sign if we wanted to check whether a is not equal to b or vice versa. We have the less than sign if we wanted to check whether a operator is less than or we have greater than b. We also have less than and equal to, which we use this symbol, and we have greater than and equal to. So let's check all these things on the idle. So yeah, so I'm creating a variable called a is equal to, let's say, 10, and b is equal to, let's say, 15. No, I would say 8. Now let's check out all of them. Print. Now I'm going to check whether a is equal to b. A equal b. Now as you already know that 10 is not equal to 8, so it will return me as false. So yeah, it returned me as false. Now I'm gonna check whether a is not equal to b, which is right because 8 is not equal to 10. So when I do this, I will get a true. Yeah, this is what I get. And if I check whether a is greater than b, which is yes possible because 10 is greater than 8, then it will return me true. And if I check whether a is less than, then I will get false as return because 10 is greater than 8. Yeah, and now I'm going to check whether a is greater than and equal to b. Greater than and equal to b. Now yes, a is greater than to b, so whether it should be either greater than or it should be equal to. So this is how it all works. So let's check. Okay, yeah, this is true because 10 is greater than b or 8. Now I'm going to check whether 10 is less than and equal to b. So when I do it, it will return me false. Yeah, so this is all for today's video.